Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the ChatGPT Deep Research feature. So when you log into your account, you might have noticed this Deep Research button. And if you hover over it, it says Get Detailed Insights on Any Topic. And you might be wondering what it does. So this is similar to the Microsoft Copilot Think Deeper feature, which we just did a video on, which takes some extra time to give you some improved and more detailed results. All right, so we have a little description here. All right, so Deep Research is an advanced feature designed to automate complex, multi-step research tasks by autonomously browsing the web, analyzing information, and generating comprehensive reports with citations. It significantly reduces the time required for in-depth research, delivering results in approximately 5 to 30 minutes, which might take you several hours, even days, to do on your own. All right, so what can it do? Autonomous web exploration. So it plans and executes multi-step research strategies. Comprehensive reporting generates detailed reports complete with citations covering what, why, and how of the topic. Multimodal input handling. It accepts text, images, PDFs, and spreadsheets to provide context. So you can actually upload some supporting documents. Right, and then personalized queries, which allows users to specify parameters for tailored research. All right, so access and availability. As of May 2025, it's available to various ChatGPT user tiers. So if you're a pro user for $200 a month, you get 250 queries per month and 150 lightweight queries. And for the Plus Team, EDU, and Enterprise users, 25 queries per month and 15 lightweight queries. And then for free users, you get 5 lightweight queries per month. All right, so here's what we're going to try. We're going to do something fairly simple. So we want to conduct a deep market analysis of the top 5 antivirus programs in 2025. And we want to include feature comparisons, pricing, customer satisfaction ratings, reported issues, and ideal use cases for individuals versus businesses. And we want to include some citations from reputable sources. All right, so we'll copy this, paste it in here, click on Deep Research, click on Go here. All right, so now it's going to ask some follow-up questions here to help give us the best answer. All right, so we're going to target the United States. We want to focus on home and business users. We'll stick with Windows for now, and we'll do free and paid options. All right, so here's what it's going to do here. It's going to create a market analysis of the top antivirus programs in 2025 for Windows users in the US, covering home and business use cases. It will include feature comparisons, pricing, customer satisfaction ratings, reported issues, and ideal use cases with citations from reputable sources. All right, so it's starting its research here, so this might take a little bit. So we will pause the video and be back when it's done. All right, so we're up to 19 sources, so we're getting close to halfway done. It's probably been about 5 minutes, so we'll pause again and be back. All right, so we have our results here. Probably took 10, maybe 15 minutes at the most, probably closer to 10. So let's see what we got here. All right, top antivirus solutions in the US in 2025. So we have our summary here, or introduction. Then it's going over various products here, such as Bitdefender. And you can see we have our sightings right here with a link if you want to click on it to get more information. We have pricing, user ratings, drawbacks, use cases. Then it goes on to the next product. Same thing here. Next product. And so on. So it keeps going on here. Lots of resources for more information. Even includes Microsoft Defender built into Windows. And then we have a nice table here of all the comparisons. Pricing table. Ratings and reviews. This is nice. And there we go. All right, so you also have to keep in mind this was a lightweight query, not the regular query that you have for a pay-for version of ChatGPT. So if you were to be using that, you'd get a lot more information. So this is still pretty good. For the free version, and especially for how long it took, it wasn't too bad either. All right, so all you got to do to use this is go to chatgpt.com, sign up for a free account if you don't have one already, and then type in your query, click on Deep Research, and see what it comes up with. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.